Hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Fortnite kicking you out of the game on PC. So let's get started and make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So the first steps is you have to verify Fortnite game files. Open the Epic Game Launcher, just search for it. Epic Game Launcher, and just simply search for it and go to it. And then you have to go to your library and click the three dots under Fortnite. So as you can see, I have not downloaded it yet, so you can just simply download it or sign in using your account ID and password. And after logging in, you will be shown three dots icon, and you have to select manage, then click verify files easily. So for now I'm just talking to you because I don't have Fortnite installed on my PC right now. So that's why just follow these steps. This will check for fix any corrupted files. And now let's move forward to the next steps, which is change your DNS servers. So first of all, you have to go to your search panel on your PC. Now search for control panel and then open up your control panel. So now you have to go to network and internet section. Let me just search for network and internet section. Network, wait, just let me search for it. Network, this might be somewhere here. Network and internet section. Okay, just let me search for it. Okay, let's tap onto it. And then you have to click your current connection, for example Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, let me search for Wi-Fi. Network and internet, this here we can see this. Now you can go to your Ethernet option, and from here you can change your DNS server assignment. Just select manage and then click verify files, like click onto edit, and from there you can just tap onto manual to change it, and that's it. Make sure to change it perfectly. Also you can click properties by simply clicking on it. For example, let's click on it, and then you can check out all these things. And double click internet protocol version 4 from here. That might be here, you can see this. You can configure this. If you want to have private network, you can just change it to private network easily. And now let's move forward to the next fix, which is you have to reset Unreal Engine identifiers and registry. Okay, so you have to be careful when editing the registry. Press Windows plus R. Here you can see this. My run is open. Now you have to type regedit, and then you have to hit enter. So as you can see, now tap onto yes if prompted. So there we go. And now you have to navigate to HKey current. You can see this current user printer dev mode per users, and click identifiers and choose delete. As you can see, mine is already onto default, so there is no problem right now on my PC. Okay, you will be shown an identifier option. Just tap onto it and choose delete. And lastly, you have to press Windows plus R again and run your run, and then type shell, percent local app data, then percent, and then tap enter, and there we go. Open the Epic Games Launcher on these files. From these files it will be shown here, and web cache folder. Delete the web cache folder. If it won't delete, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is fully closed. So that is it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.